Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So we are looking at Veracity today, VRA USDT, and I want to show you something that is flashing on Veracity weekly candle. So before we begin today's video, I hope you guys have read this disclaimer and let us look at the Veracity chart. So currently we are first looking at VRA 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart we can see this very clearly that VRA was in the falling wedge and VRA has broken out of this falling wedge. So it is already successfully broken out of this falling wedge. Falling wedge is generally a bullish pattern. And if we look at the targets for this breakout, then VRA can go as high as $0.02. So that is 2 cents. VRA can go up till 2 cents in this impulse move up. But I want to show you something very important on the weekly chart. Let me first conclude this falling wedge target. So there are two things. It can go as high as 2 cents, but we see over here there is a lot of resistance in this area. So I think VRA currently breaking out of this falling wedge can go anywhere between 1.5 to 2. This area looks to me as the target for this current move. So it can go at least till 1.5 cents till 2 cents. This is where it can go. It should go till 2 cents ideally because that is the top of the falling wedge. But this is a choppy region. So anywhere between 1.5 to 2, we can expect resistance. But what I want to show you are two important things. First, let me tell you this. The main resistance for VRA is going to be 2.5 cents. If you look at over here, this entire move, VRA was acting as support. This was the breakout. And since then, VRA was acting as support. And on the 19th May crash of Bitcoin, VRA broke this support. So this support will now act as a big resistance, that is around 2.5 cents, this entire price region. So I think the most important price that VRA needs to break is 2.5 cents. You can consider this as entire consolidation. Anything below 2.5 cents is a consolidation for the breakout. And for VRA's next impulse move, it will only begin once we break this 2.5 cent barrier. I think once we break this 2.5 cent, we are going to see the next move of VRA, next impulse move of VRA, which can go as high as 10 or 12 cents in my opinion. But as I was telling you, I want to show you something very important on the weekly chart. So let us go on the weekly chart. And so this is a VRA weekly chart in front of us. Let me zoom in. So first you can see on the weekly also we have clearly broken out of this falling wedge. It's very clearly visible even on the weekly. This was the falling wedge which VRA has broken. So this is the last week's candle which is bullish and it is broken out. Now on the weekly also you can clearly see how 2.5 cent price range was acting as support during the entire first quarter of 2021. You can see this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weekly candles about $2.5. Sorry, 2.5 cents. Then this was the 8th candle that broke this 2.5 cent barrier. And since then we have been trending down. So when we start again moving up, which currently looks very much likely possibility because we have broken out of this wedge. So in our next leg up on the weekly also and on the daily also, we can clearly see the next major resistance for VRA would be at 2.5 cents. And when once we break this 2.5 cents, we are going to see another great impulse move, in my opinion. Again, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research. Now, I want to show you one of the main indicators that is indicating a buy signal for VRA. We are looking at a weekly chart, and you can see this is a Stoch RSI chart in front of us. If you look at Stoch RSI, we can see Stoch RSI is at the bottom since 2 months almost. Since 21st May, the Stoch RSI, if you can see over here very clearly, is at the bottom. And over here, it's showing sign of breaking out. Can you see this? It's showing sign of breaking out on the weekly. This is breaking out, which we can also clearly see in this weekly candle. So this was the breakout over here, and then it resulted in this next weekly candle. The last time Stoch RSI was this low, we have literally bottomed in Stoch RSI. I mean, you can't go any further low. Look at this. The last time Stoch RSI was this low was between 12th October to 16th November 2020. Can you see this? Stoch RSI was lowest at around 0.13. That's almost zero at lowest. And then 16th November, it broke out on the weekly, which resulted in this massive pump in 2021. Very similar to that, we can see this current weekly Stoch RSI breaking out, which can result to a massive pump in the coming next few months. So the next leg of VRA, you can say this was bottomed. Literally, this was the bottom price that you can buy, the best price that you can buy. If you have bought VRA over here, you should pat yourself, because now you can see that once we break out of this weekly RSI, which is bound to happen any week, and we are already seeing a breakout in this week. So the next leg up is, in my opinion, going to be amazing, and it's going to be either in August or maximum in month of September. I think September would be too late. I think we can start seeing the results of breaking out in the August month itself. So this is a very positive sign for Veracity and Veracity bulls, as we are breaking out on the weekly RSI, and we have literally gone as low as we can. So it's just a matter of time because before we start moving up. The only direction we will go is up now. We cannot go further low. We might continue to go sideways, if at all, in the worst case, but we can't go further low. But looking at the initial signs and looking at the weekly breakout, I think the next leg up is sooner than later. And again, guys, this is a weekly chart, so don't expect the pump to start happening in one day. But what I want to highlight you is this. We broke out on 16 November 2020, and that breakout, you saw the result in the beginning of 2021. So similarly, we are breaking out today, and let's consider August, and then we can expect the mega pump in the September, October, and November months, in my opinion, where we can see VRA going way higher. And conservatively, I have a target of 10 to 12 cents, but that's a very conservative target for VRA, in my opinion, in its next leg up. I think if we even go higher, I won't be surprised. So this is a very important buy signal in my opinion in Veracity. Again, guys, do your research. I am not responsible for your profit or your loss. So this is something that I wanted to share with all of you on the Veracity USDT chart. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and support my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And comment down below whether you are bullish on VRA. I want to know whether you are bullish or not on VRA. So please comment. Take care. Bye bye.